x2 and b is also I1. This is how the assumption goes. And what is I1? The new interval I1 is given by I0 times f of n minus 1 by fn. This is how we assume the new interval to be. Like in dichotomous search, we had been dividing the interval into half, and we had considered the points x1 and x2 at a distance epsilon by 2 from the center. Over here, what we are doing is we are assuming the points x1 and x2 such that the distance between a and x1, the distance between a and x1 is I1, and you know the distance between x2 and b is also I1. How is I1 defined? I1 is defined in this manner. Am I okay till this? Am
Yes,
I okay
ma'am.
till? Now, what was this? আমি এর আগে বলেছি এটা হচ্ছে স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফিবোনাকি রেকারেন্স রিলেশনটা। এবারে এই যে ফিবোনাকি সার্চ অ্যালগরিদমটা, এটাও একটা সিঙ্গেল ভ্যারিয়েবল সার্চ, এবং ওই যে রিজন এলিমিনেশন মেথড দিয়ে আমরা সার্চটা করি। আর সেকেন্ড পয়েন্ট যেটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, সেটা হচ্ছে ফিবোনাকি সার্চ অ্যালগরিদমের যে কনভার্জেন্স রেটটা, সেটা ডাইকোটমাসের থেকে অনেক বেশি ফাস্টার। এরপর বাকি তো শুনেছি, আশা করছি যে ডিফারেন্সটা হচ্ছে ডাইকোটমাসে একটা সেন্টার নিয়ে তার দুদিকে দুটো পয়েন্ট অ্যাজিউম করেছিলাম। এখানে আমরা অ্যাজিউম করছি a আর x1 এর যা ডিসটেন্স, x2 আর b এরও সেম ডিসটেন্স, সেই ডিসটেন্স I1 টা ইজ গিভেন বাই I0 টাইমস fn মাইনাস 1 বাই fn। ঠিক আছে এতটা? এবার I0 টা কি? I0 ইজ বেসিক্যালি b মাইনাস a টাইমস fn মাইনাস 1 বাই fn। ঠিক? I hope I'm okay till this.
Ma'am, how will we take n?
N, n will be specified when we will be doing a
okay.
particular problem. Say I can tell you that you can take 7 functional evaluations. Say for example, 2 is obtained by one functional evaluation. 2 is obtained by once I add up the first 2 terms. Am I clear? Was it Manjari who was asking? Who was asking me the question?
No, ma'am. Aditi Malik.
Aditi. Acha, listen, Aditi. 2 is obtained once we add up 1 and 1. So 2 is obtained by doing one functional evaluation. Am I right?
Okay, ma'am.
3 is obtained by doing 2 functional evaluations. 5 can be obtained by doing 3 functional evaluations in a similar manner. (34) is obtained by doing 7 functional evaluations. Am I okay with this concept? If I tell you that your limitation is going to be 6 functional evaluations, then definitely your fn would be 21 and fn minus 1 would be 13. If I tell you to do the operations till 6 functional,
আরে পর্দা না লাগালে কম্পিউটার স্ক্রিন দেখতে হবে। ওটা আমার আসছে না ভিতর থেকে।
মজা হলো। রূপায়ণ আছো ক্লাসে? রূপায়ণ দেব, তুমি ক্লাসে আছো? Is Rupayan Dev there? So I heard ওর বাড়িতে পর্দা নিয়ে কিছু একটা চলছে, তোরাও কি শুনতে পেলি? তো আমি যদি বলি you have to do 6 functional evaluations, তার মানে হচ্ছে this length of I1 would be I0 times 5 by 6. Aditi, am I been able to make your doubt clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will depend upon problem to problem, right? In the problem, it will be clearly specified what is going to be Fn. Either you will directly be told that you have to choose Fn to be a certain value, or it may be a little bit twisted and I tell you that perform 7 or 8 functional evaluations and do the problem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. So now, once we have this, let us figure out, I'll do a little bit of a derivation before moving on to a problem. What is x1 then? X1 is mind it, the derivations are also very important as the problem. So make sure that the derivations are very simple. Make sure you understand the derivations. That means implies you just follow the class, that much will help. So x1 is given by a plus b minus a times fn minus 1 by fn, which we can further write as a fn plus b minus a times fn minus 1 divided by fn. This fn is what? This fn is actually fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. So if I replace, then tell me, do we get x1 as a fn minus 2 plus b fn minus 1 divided by fn? Is this the value of x1? Similarly, what is x2? X2 is necessarily b minus I1. That is b minus I1 can be replaced by b minus a times fn minus 1 by fn, which is equal to how much? This is b fn minus b minus a fn minus 1 by fn. So this happens to be b fn minus 2 plus a fn minus 1 divided by fn. Am I okay till equation number 2, everyone? Achha. Now, as the rule suggests, we need to do the 2-point test on x1 and x2. That implies, just like we had done in case of dichotomous search algorithm, we need to find out what is f of x1 and f of x2, right? And depending upon which value is higher, we will be eliminating a particular region. Clear? We are basically doing the 2-point test or the region elimination method. Are we okay with this? Are we okay with this? Achha, fine. আমাকে বেশি বকাস না আজকে। তো এবারে suppose just an assumption that the region to the left of x2 is going to be eliminated. Just a blind assumption, nothing else. Let us assume that this region would be eliminated. Okay. So if this region is eliminated, can we say that I shall tell you definitely why we are doing this. This is my x2 actually. This is A, this is x2, this is B. So definitely this would be x3 and this would be x4. This is I2. This is also I2. And this new interval of uncertainty is I1. Is everyone okay with the figure? Is everyone okay with the pictorial representation? Okay. Now, you know, this I2 would be obtained as the earlier one, the pattern was I0 times Fn minus 1 by Fn. So here the pattern would be I1 times Fn minus 2 by Fn minus 1. Now, I0 can be replaced, sorry, I1 can be replaced by I0 times Fn minus 1 by Fn into Fn minus 2 by Fn minus 1. So eventually they will get eliminated so that your new interval, that is I2, can also be written as I0 times Fn minus 2 by Fn. Okay. So if I get the new interval like this, then what about x3? X3 would be x2 times I0 into Fn minus 2 by Fn. Please do correct me if I am wrong. This is equal to x2 plus this is b minus a Fn minus 2 by Fn. This x2 can be chosen from equation number 2. From 2, we have the value like so, if I just add these two terms up, we are getting a Fn minus 1 plus 2b Fn minus 2 minus a Fn minus 2 divided by Fn. Calling this equation number 3. Are we all okay till equation number 3? The last one, the last calculation that we would be doing is x4. X4 is how much? It's b minus I2. That is equal to b minus Are we okay till equation number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
can we say that one of the values This x4 is nothing else but x1, correct? See, x1, and this is, so just do remember that one of the values in the next iteration is going to be the same as the previous iteration. That implies out of the two values x3 and x4 that we obtained, only one is actually new. Am I okay with this? This is a way that you can check whether your calculations are going in the right direction or not. Correct? Is everybody okay with this? That implies when we will be doing the next iteration, we'll be getting two values, x5 and x6, and you will find that one of those, either x5 and x6, is going to be the same as either of x3 or x4. Okay, so this is going to happen always. This is what I showed you by finding out the values by doing proper calculations. Am I clear till this? If I just tell you to do the reduction ratio implies the rate at which the interval of uncertainty is decreasing. It was I0 was initially B minus A. I1 is what? I1 is I0 times Fn minus 1 by Fn. What is I2? I2 is I0 times Fn minus 2 by Fn. Bhul hole do point me out. So can I say that In would be I0 times F0 by Fn? Can I say this? Can I say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Implies the reduction ratio would be, this is going to be Fn. Okay, are we all okay with this? Are we all okay with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So we would be doing just one problem so that the understanding of the algorithm is better. And we would be doing the same problem that we did in case of dichotomous search algorithm. That is, we will consider the same cylindrical storage. This is given by 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. V is that jol cache. And V is given to be 4. The value of R, that is the interval of uncertainty, is said to vary between this and to, sorry, it was 3.5. So you have to execute. Okay, so this is what is given to you as an exercise. if I write down the Fibonacci sequence, it is 2, 3, 5, 8, তারপরে হচ্ছে 13, 21, 34, 5, 55, and so on. So as I mentioned earlier, 2 is obtained once we do one functional evaluation. 3 is obtained by doing 2 functional evaluations. 5 is obtained by doing 3 functional evaluations. Okay, please ask me if you have any doubt. This is mine. And we have seen that the odd subscripts are occurring towards the right hand side of the even subscript. This is what we generally follow. So at x1 at r1 hobe, because r1 r2, where this is i1 and this is i2. Sorry, একটা দিন একটু দ্বারা আমি বলছি বললাম যে এই যে অড সাবস্ক্রিপ্ট দেখ r1 r2 ডান দিকে আছে, তার মানে যে অড সাবটা সেটা ইভেন সাবস্ক্রিপ্টের ডান দিকে থাকবে। কারণ হচ্ছে a থেকে r1 এর যা ডিসটেন্স, b থেকে r2 এর সেম ডিসটেন্স, আমরা এটাই জেনারেলি ফলো করে থাকি। Now, one thing, the function that we consider is a function of a single variable. Kintu ekhane what we find is a is a function of 2 variables. So with the value of capital V, we would be converting capital A to be a function of R only. সেটা কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে, সেটা probably দাঁড়াচ্ছে কত বল, H would now this I1 would be obtained by I0 times Fn minus 1 by Fn. That is, it is 3 times. Your Fn is going to be 34. So Fn minus 1 is going to be 21. So it is 3 times 21 by 34. Aditi, am I okay with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you please use your calculators? Tell me what is the value of I1? The faster you calculate, the faster we finish it off. X1 is going to be 0.5 plus I1, which is 2.35. X2 would be 3.5 minus 1.85, which is 1.65, right? So again I wrote please এটা R1 R2 হলেই ভালো হয়। So what is, please calculate, use your calculators and calculate what is A at R1 and what is A at R2. See, from this particular portion, one of these algorithms is a must. You are either going to get the dichotomous or Fibonacci or golden section or interval halving. So please make sure you understand the problems, the theory part properly, and you do one problem at least properly in the class along with me. That is going to help you enough. One key. তো ঠিক লিখলাম। That A at R1 is more than A at R2. So which region do we need to eliminate? Which region needs to be eliminated?
R1 to 3.5.
So that your new interval would be, this is the first iteration, the second iteration. We have would you like to tell me what is the value of I2? That implies it would be 3 times Fn minus 2 by Fn minus 1 money. It would be, it was initially 21 by 34. Now it would be 13 by 21. 13 by 21. So what is this value coming to be equal to? একবার দেখ তো ক্যালকুলেশনটা। 39 divided by 21. 1.85 ঠিকই। So your R3 would be 0.5 plus 1.857 and আচ্ছা 1 মিনিট দাঁড়া দাঁড়া, just a moment.
मैम Fn minus 2
ঠিক 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 বলেছিস। I1 times Fn minus 1 by Fn হবে। Correct. Thank you. হ্যাঁ এক্স্যাক্টলি, যে কোনো একটা I1 টাইমস করলে কত হচ্ছে, ইটস 2.35, মানে হচ্ছে ব্যাপারটা it's 2.35 minus 0.5, তাই তো? তাহলে কত দাঁড়াচ্ছে বলতো ভ্যালুটা? 1.145 আসছে কি? ই থাক অথবা ঠিক আছে 1.145 ই থাক, তাহলে what about R3? And R4 would be 2.35 minus 1.45. What are these values equal to? What is R3 and what is R4? What is R3? What is R3? 645. Acha, and what is R4? Okay, so what we actually see is the value of R3 is more or less equal to the value of R2. Am I correct? The problem is lying because, every time we are truncating, we are rounding it off. Had we taken all the values intact, we could have seen that the values would come just the same because we have proved it right now. Right? Decimal place difference asche because we are rounding it off. Had we kept all the places intact, যদি একটা program করি আমরা দেখবো যে the value of R3 is the same as the value of R2. So technically, A of R3 need not be calculated yet again. You can directly write down that A of R3 is coming to be equal to কত এসেছিল 21.95. We only need to calculate what is A at R4. Anyone, what is A at R4? Quickly, what is A at R4? Hmm.
15.76.
Clear cut, A of R3 is more than A at R4. So we need to eliminate the region R3. R3 to B needs to be eliminated. So this is my R5 and this is my R6. This value is I2. This is my I3. This is also I3. I3 is 1.645 minus 0.5 multiplied by এবারে রেশিওটা কি হবে it is going to be 8/13. So this value is equal to about R5. R5 is 0.5 plus 0.704. R6 is 1.625 minus 0.704. So this is equal to R4. And what about R6? আওয়াজ লো আসছে? হ্যাঁ, আমার গলাটা একটু চোখড হয়ে আছে আসলে। বল। আচ্ছা 941 বললি? A at R5 need not be calculated. Ambarish, please mute yourself. Ambarish, mute yourself. Achha, so A at R5 is equal to, we can directly write down from the above calculated value, it's 15.76. And A at R6 happens to be how much? 14.065 to, ঠিক আছে, let's make it 14.1. So A at R5 is, we are following the same pattern every time. A at R5 is more than A at R6. So this has to be eliminated. So this is going to be 0.5. This is going to be R5 কত ছিল? It is 1.2. This is going to be R7. This is our R8. A intervalটা I3. The new interval is I4. And this is also I4. What is I4? I4 would be given by 1.2 minus 0.5 multiplied by 5/8. Right? So we need to calculate R7 and R8. কি হলো, ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেল নাকি? তাহলে what about R7?
0.94.
4 is equal to R6 and R8 is
0.76.
perfect. At R7 and A at R8. These two values need to be calculated. We're almost there. What about A at R7? Just we need, the way we had done in numerical methods, we had a lot of calculations to be done. The same is valid and logical over here as well. Just a little bit of calculations using a calculator, that's it. The methods are very simple and believe me, they're very scoring. এটা তো আর ক্যালকুলেট করার দরকার নেই, এটা তোর হচ্ছে 114.1 আর 14.15। তাহলে খুব অল্পের জন্যও a at R8 is more than a at R7. So something different is happening. We are eliminating this region. বলো। আমরা তো সব জায়গা থেকে ট্রাঙ্কেট করতে করতে আসছি, মানে তুই একটা জিনিস দেখ, এই R8 আর R7 মোর অর লেস কিন্তু এক জায়গাতেই দাঁড়াচ্ছে গিয়ে, দে আর ভেরি সেম টু ইচ আদার, ইজন্ট ইট? মানে লজিক্যালি যদি এবং এবং এরকম কেস কিন্তু হতেই পারে যেখানে দুটোর ভ্যালু সেম, তখন যেটা আমরা করব দুটো দিক থেকে কেটে শুধু মাঝখানটাকে রাখবো। বুঝেছি, সেই জন্য আমি বলছি যে এখানে আমরা তাড়াতাড়ি ক্যালকুলেশনের সুবিধের জন্য আমরা 1 place 2 place অব্দি we are rounding it off. তোরা যদি 3rd place অব্দি রেখে দিস, you would be getting the most accurate result. Otherwise রেজাল্টে কিছু না কিছু এরর through and through propagate করবে। Once we get this, we are eliminating. So this one is what? This one is 0.76. This one is 1.2. A regionta is I4. মানে এটা হচ্ছে 0.44, তাই তো? আবার আমি নেব, এদিকে নেব R9, এদিকে নেব R10. This is my I5. This is also my I5. I5 would be 0.44 times 3/5. রেশিওটা আস্তে আস্তে, it was 5/8, now it is 3/5. So what is this equal to? Your R9 would be and R10. How much time is left? তোদের এরপরে ক্লাস আছে? তাহলে জাস্ট এই ভ্যালুটা বলে কি বললি দেবদীপ, বুঝতে পারলাম না, তাড়াতাড়ি বল। R9 হচ্ছে কত হচ্ছে?
1.024.
এই 1 পয়েন্ট কি করে? It would be 14 point something. Sorry. আমি A at R9 এর সাথে গন্ডগোল করি। Is it 1.02?
Yes, ma'am.
And R10 is
0.936.
তার মানে this is 936, so this is almost equal to R7. So A at R10 is going to be 14.1. A at R9 would be how much? Is it 14.38 round? So it's straight cut that A at R9 is more than A at R10. So we would be eliminating R9 থেকে B. It's 0.76, 1.02. This is R11. This is R12. This is I5. This is R6. That puro ছকে বাঁধা problem. This is also I6. I6 is given by, it's 1.02 minus 0.76, 1.02 minus 0.76. এখানে রেশিওটা, it was 3/5, so the now the ratio is 2/3. R11 কত, R12 কত? R11 R11 R12
0.85.
0.85. এতটা ডিফারেন্স কি করে এলো? একটা ভ্যালুও সিমিলার হচ্ছে না আগেরটার সাথে। একটু R11 টা আরেকবার ক্যালকুলেট করবি?
Point 93 আসছে।
তাহলে this is almost equal to R7, A at R11 দাঁড়াচ্ছে তাহলে 14.1, আর A at R12 কত হচ্ছে? আর জাস্ট একবার we need to do the iteration because এরপরে 1/1 হয়ে যাবে। A at R12 please. A at R11 is more than A at R12. So A regionta is going to get eliminated. Just the last one that we are doing, it's 0.76, R11 হচ্ছে 0.93 ধরে নিচ্ছি। This is I6. This is R13. This is R14. This is my I7. This is also my I7. What is correct? ঠিক লিখলাম? So what is my I7? তাহলে what is R13? And what is R14? R14? পরের কত আসছে? Calculations ঠিক থাকলে we would have seen that R13 is just equal to R14. So your answer
I7 টা 0.085 হবে I guess. I7 না 1/2.
1/2. 1/2. So আমরা দেখবো R13 is almost equal to, it's coming equal to R14. So we can finally say that R optimum is equal to 0.85, and putting the value of R optimum in capital A, we would be obtaining A optimum also. And that's it. The end. Okay. So that's all for the day. Thank you.